That's gonna take a while. Long while to render.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
So it's half rendered, which is awesome. Didn't think it would be that fast. Hopefully I did it all right, and it's all good. It'll be all good. I have a feeling this is going to be another chillaxing day. Especially since it's 11:30. Oops. My bad. I just did, oh, you got hair on you. I just did something extremely weird. I want to show you guys it because I find it funny. Watch. I focus screen. Look. YouTube thing. Weird. Oh, that was funny. I was just like, I accidentally clicked on it and then I was just like, what happened? Is it finished? Is it finished yet? Let me see. I was watching a vlog. And I was the first one to comment. I've never been like the first person. I'm always like the last or whatnot. I'm editing the info on yesterday's. Oh, no, I don't want to see. I don't want to see it. Damn it. Back. Okay. Just to edit things. I wanted to edit, not do that. Right now it's unlisted because I want to make sure it's gonna play right. Which it looks like it shall. Come on, edit. I want to edit. Thank you. Yesterday it was like, I didn't even know it was that long until after I started editing it. I was like, what? And it was so long I had to upload it differently. That's always fun. Okay, I want to put it at 26:45. Zip. Okay, I'm gonna go do that and maybe find some food. Well, I'm not really hungry, but I should eat. Yeah, I hate moments like that. Okay. I know, I haven't vlogged that much. Kevin Bacon Challenge, give it to you now, Chuck Norris. I had to think, and besides Walker Texas Ranger, what was Chuck Norris in? He is going to be in the new Expendables 2 movie with Liam Hemsworth, who is going to be in Hunger Games with Jennifer Lawrence, who was in X-Men: The First Class with Kevin Bacon. So, ha 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 ha. I wonder if one day I'll be connected to Kevin Bacon. Challenge for me accepted. It's 9:15. I'm sitting comfortably thinking, oh, I'm going to be ending my vlog soon. I'm going to be going to bed. Got my TV on, watching NCIS on my computer. My TV blows. So, I have to go to Walmart and get a new TV. Come along and join with me. It's going to be fun. You get to help me pick out my new TV. Oh, that looks so naked. And it still smells in here. I'm going to have to, like, light something or something. I'm not going to have time to watch NCIS. No. I'll have to watch it tomorrow. I'm going to hook that up. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. After I spray something. Mom, do we have anything I can spray in here? Okay, thank you. That is going to take some getting used to. I can admit it. But it looks so sweet. It's my first flat screen and I paid for it. No one bought it for me for Christmas. I didn't like take my brother's. That my mom was like, just take your brother's, just take your brother's. No, I was like, no, I want my own. I want to be like, I paid for it, yo, it's mine. So I'm going to have to clean some stuff off there and whatnot. But yeah! So glad I have money in the bank to pay for it. Where did I put my... Did I throw it in here? I have to balance my checkbook now. I can't even remember how much. That's not bad. 22-inch flat screen, widescreen. Oh my god, my widescreen movies are gonna look so awesome now. Things from my iPod that are widescreen are gonna look awesome. It's gonna take like 20 minutes to complete the program scanning thing, and then I have other things I have to do. Yes, I'm gonna have to I don't have the info for this anymore. I'll go online and figure it out. So, yeah. I'm gonna wait and do that. And reply to one of my favorite fanfiction artists. I just love her stories. They're so good. So yeah, I am calling it a day. This is a lot shorter than yesterday's. I can guarantee it. I'm like on purchase high right now. I think next week I'm going to get my hair cut though. I'm going to tell my mom Saturday. Next Saturday you take me and I'm going to get my hair cut. Just say it like that. As long as she's there. So yeah, good night.
If I was a guy, I'd get to wear the pants, making all the decisions, asking girls to dance. Yeah!